Calibrating a digital multimeter with the 5080A multi-product calibrator. First, we'll connect the digital meter to the 5080A. The normal high-low terminals of the 5080A are respectively connected to the volt, ohm, and comm terminals of the digital meter. Now we select DC voltage function on the digital meter. This meter has an auto range function. If it doesn't have an auto range function, then you'll need to set it up in the appropriate range. Set the 5080A to output 1 volt. Press the Enter key. The main display shows 1 volt, and the calibrator is still in standby mode. Press the OPR key to operate. The 5080A displays OPR, indicating that it's in the operate mode. We'll test the results. Here, the digital meter should read 1 volt. The actual result is 0.998 volt. Meanwhile, we can use the knob to adjust the 5080A's output, making the digital meter read exactly 1 volt. The digital meter's error is directly displayed on the 5080A's controlled display. You can also choose not to adjust the 5080A's output and directly record the measurement results of the digital meter and manually calculate the error. If you need to swap ranges, press the multiply by 10 key, and the 5080A directly outputs 10 volts. You can get the digital meter's error by repeating the previous operation. Now let's calibrate AC voltage. We'll add the desired frequency value to the DC voltage operation, and the 5080A will output AC signals. We first configure the digital meter for its AC voltage function. Set the 5080A voltage outputs to 5 volts and frequency output to 50 Hz. Press Enter. The main display reads 5 volts 50 Hz. Now we press the operate key to output. The subsequent steps are the same as those for DC voltage. The steps for calibrating current are the same as those for calibrating voltage. The functions and connections of the 5080A and the digital meter must be switched to the corresponding current terminals as needed.